Alrighty, so this is the second episode of what we eat in a day. Okay, so as we told you last time, we pretty much bulk for the week, and we keep it simple but delicious. So as you see, Adriana, what are you preparing over there?
Right here I'm giving you just cabbage with pepper, a little bit of cumin, salt and pepper so it has flavor. It has a little bit of garlic as well. And this is for breakfast. So what you do is you mix it with eggs, and that's the best keto breakfast ever. Because it doesn't have any sort of calories.
Yes, so as you heard, we do keto, you know what I'm saying? So like she can cook pretty much anything. So when you guys come here, she can cook anything you ask her to cook. But we do keto, so we don't have a lot of different things and stuff. We try to keep it very simple. But as she told you, look how delicious that looks, man.
Yeah, with a bit of eggs, salt, pepper, it's very good.
All right.
Then we have a really famous chicken in chili sauce that this family loves.
Yeah, buddy.
Is crazy about this chicken, so I do it every week. And it has a lot of spinach, and it has its own fat. The chicken is cooked on its own fat, which is great because I am not adding anything extra. And I did another version with green salsa. This one I need to stir a little bit so you can see. This is green salsa from tomatillos, and it has the cactus. Cactus has a lot of properties, a lot of fat.
There you go.
Okay. So this one is also chicken in salsa, but this one is verde, salsa verde or green salsa out of tomatillos, and it has cactus. Cactus is like a very Mexican thing that is called in Spanish nopal, and it has all sorts of properties. It has a lot of fiber and water, but it's also had a lot of proteins and stuff. So I recommend this a lot too. When you come to Mexico, try nopales or cactus. This chicken is as well cooked in its own fat. I never add extra fat to my meals. I don't like that, so it's cooked in its own fat. And the last one, which is as well a very nice dish that David really likes. I said Robert because you're Robert's son, and I have that one stuck
I've been
in my
getting that
head.
my whole freaking life.
Yeah.
Everybody, my teachers just call me up. Robert, come over here right now.
So this one is my Robertson dish because it was invented for the family. It's just ground beef with cabbage, cumin, salt, pepper, done. No extra fat either.
This is super delicious, guys, man.
Yeah.
And this is what we're going to be eating all week. So we don't just do the what we eat in a day thing because we're going to be eating this every day. So that's pretty much how we do it. That's how you get consistent results with whatever you're trying to do, and you don't add any extra unpredictable variables into your life. It's very simple to cook up a few delicious meals that you won't get sick of. As you can tell, like we had the chicken, except for this one. This one is new, but we had this chicken for the past, what, 3 weeks?
It's been a month already.
A month?
4 months? 4 weeks, sorry. It's been 4 weeks that I'm cooking this just for you.
Yeah, see, this is off the, hey, y'all gotta have it. See, if you don't understand, it's because it's hard to explain how good she is.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's just hard to explain through. Hopefully you can smell through the phone, comment below if you can smell through the phone. And
Yeah, it's really, this one is like one of my favorites.
oh my God, look at it, man. You can tell how delicious it is just by seeing it, but anyway, okay, move on, because I'm gonna have to eat. I already ate for the day. But so this right here, we fix like with the eggs in the morning,
Scrambled
like
eggs,
breakfast. Yeah, so you just like put some eggs in there and you scramble it up, or you just let it turn into like an omelet sort of thing.
That's what it is. And well, I prepare all sorts of things, but right now I'm preparing what David wants to eat because he's really strict on his diet. And as I said before, you don't need to be on diet and eat poor food. It's like very good, delicious food.
Yes, it is.
With the requirements of your diet, no?
Yes,
So
yes.
That's what it is.
So like I told her that once I get down a bit, cause I'm 5'8" and I'm around 220, 223 now. Cause yesterday I ate some pistachios. I shouldn't have ate too late. But yeah, when I got on the scale this morning, I was like 223. Tomorrow I'll probably be 221 again. But I'm trying to get like down before I let her start experimenting and going crazy with me. I'll probably have to get close to like 200 first, you know what I'm saying? She's never really gonna like fix me anything bad for me. I'm just real strict because when you're making it work, you just need to continue making it work. It's about consistency.